All right, I'm going to fix my tonneau cover. It keeps opening the back end where you latch it down, and it's driving me nuts. They said when I called them, oh, move the latch over to the other side, but I think it's actually the latch that is I think it's worn enough, too much, that it's not grabbing. So we're going to take off that little latch. I'll show you where it's at in a second. And we're going to go down to the workshop and put it on the file, or take a file to it and try and give ourselves a nice little ledge so we can grab onto the metal part of the tonneau cover. I'll show you which one I have here in case you have a Deuce 2 and you're having this problem. So that's my tonneau cover, a Deuce 2. And that's the tonneau cover on my truck. Right there. This little latch right there. And I think it's just rounded. I think this part has rounded so much from going up and down. So we're going to take this pin out and I'm going to put a sharper edge on there with a grinder or with a file and see if we can get this thing fixed. Let's go down to the workshop. We'll pull that baby out first. Just going to pull that little pin right there out and it should come out. Here's a better look at the piece of my tonneau cover. Looks like it's just rounded over right there. A little bit too much, so I'm going to just put this on the, not even a grinder, I'm just going to get out a file, it's aluminum, and just try and make a lip there to keep my tonneau cover from opening by itself. So we're just going to use this nice file right here and changeable handles. Just use this because it's got a nice straight edge on it, so we're just going to file this off. See if I can do this one-handed. All right, you get the idea. I'm going to come back to you once I get this done. All right, now I did that with the file, and you can see now there is a pronounced bump there. See that right there? So now, hopefully that should keep this thing from popping open. I think that part just had rounded over enough to where it wouldn't stay closed. All right, so it's reinstalled right there. You can see it reinstalled in there. It's got that nice little lip on it now. And we're going to close it and see. Because before, when I used to close it, you could actually pull up on this and have it open, but ooh, look at that. We have fixed the problem. I can't get it to pop. Sweet. That was pretty easy to fix. Couple minutes on the file and we've got the tonneau cover fixed. Hopefully that helps you if you have one of these tonneau covers and you have it keep popping open. See you later. Bye-bye.